LG, a company known for their televisions, appliances, and their OLED displays, is attempting to do something that nobody wants, and believes that they will make an extra $20 billion from it. They announced that they will be attempting a home-as-a-service approach, where their appliances, like something as simple as a washer, will be subscription-based, and their televisions will have even more ads on it. This, of course, is tied into the "you will own nothing and be happy" approach that the ultra-wealthy terrorists are forcing on everyone but themselves. According to them, they will be increasing advertisements in their TVs, including the OLED and NEDs, and plans to push their WebOS to other brands and products. The same article also mentions that they will evolve their ThinkQ Up products by pushing subscriptions to them, and even called it Home as a Service. This is nothing new, as corporations have been actively trying to push subscriptions onto the consumers, even though it's not wanted by the majority of people, and is almost always for features that nobody needs. Car manufacturers, for example, have been trying it as well, like Toyota. Want heated seats? You will have to pay monthly for it. Does that sound like a good future to you? It doesn't to me. I prefer using older non-smart devices.